Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a craft with me. We're going to be making these really cute canvas tote bags. I decided to use these as gift wrap this year, so I made each of my friends custom bags to put their presents in, and I hope they like them. So to get started, I just started making the first template. This one's for my friend who loves cats. She has 2 cats, and I thought this would be super cute. All of her gifts this year are cat themed, so I decided to make the bag cat themed as well. So I'm just going to be going in and doing the text that I want and changing it to a font that I bought off of Etsy, and then I saw that the letters were a little bit too close together, so I just wanted to space them out a bit, and then I resized it, saw that it was a very big gap between the rows, so I also decrease the line spacing up at the top, and then once that was good, I just resized it down to what the tote bag was going to be, and that's it for template number 1. My other friend is really into TikTok, and I've been seeing a lot of tote bags on TikTok lately, and I thought Good Vibes fit more of what she would be going for, so that's what I did. Again, I changed the font to the font that I bought off Etsy, and I'm going to be adding a curve, and I want it to be more wavy, so I'm going to do the first letter one way curved, and then the second word the other way curved, and that just adds like a little bit of a wave feature. And I wanted to do like the whole front of the bag, so I ended up doing 4 rows, and I spaced them equally using the position feature at the top. I made sure the X was all the same because that is the left to right axis, and then I made sure that the spacing on the Y axis was all the same. So for these 2 tote bags, I'm going to be using regular HTV vinyl, which means you are going to want to mirror it. The other one I used, I didn't show the process because it was my first time using the Sizer Easy HTV vinyl. That one you don't mirror because it comes with a separate transfer sheet that you use, and I just didn't show that one because it was my first time using it and I just wasn't sure if it was going to turn out. I did leave the footage of the actual finished bag in the beginning and the end of the video because it ended up being really cute. There is a bunch of tutorials on that vinyl if you want to look it up. That's what I used when I used it because it was kind of confusing, but just so you don't get confused, that's why the actual process is not in this video for that bag. So here I'm just weeding out this design. This one took forever, but it was worth it. And here are the tote bags I picked up. They're from Michaels. These are the 3 colors it comes in. I got 1 of each color, black, white, and canvas. And then I'm going to be using my new Easy Press Mini, I think, and I'm just going to be putting a piece of cardboard in because it has a bunch of layers and you want to make sure that you are ironing on a flat surface. So I just lint rolled it, threw the cardboard in, and then I always iron before I start using the vinyl because I want to make sure that I have a flat surface, and also I feel like it transfers better when the bag is warm. So I'm just going to be doing that, and then we'll start with the vinyl. So I'm just placing it with the transfer sheet up towards the iron and the vinyl down towards the bag, and then you're going to want to put some sort of fabric to protect the plastic from your iron, and then you just need to press it. I like to go over the whole project first, and then I like to take my time and go over each letter individually. I feel like that's what works best. And then you just peel off the transfer sheet very carefully after it is cooled, and then if any letters lift, you can always go back and iron it with the transfer sheet, what I like to do, if there's any little pieces that are a little bit lifting at the end, like the S there, I usually just cover it with the fabric again and press it. And then I always like to just go over the whole project one more time without the transfer sheet. I just think it helps it stick better. We're going to repeat the entire process one more time for the second bag, and that's it. So here are the finished tote bags. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe this will inspire you to make custom tote bags for your friends this Christmas. And if you like the video, please like down below and subscribe to the channel if you like my content. And I hope you guys have a great day.